If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I am super excited to introduce you to the Victory Bowler Bag, a Pin It Up Patterns pattern. Now Pin It Up Patterns is a collaboration between myself and Anna of Galaxy Customs, and this is our fourth design. Let me show you some of the amazing features of this design. So as you can see, there are different versions that you can have this made in or make for yourself in. We have one that has hidden connectors and handles, the crossbody strap, or you can do it with just a crossbody strap. You can do piping like we have on this one, or no piping like this one. The slip pocket on the inside, you can have it as two slip pockets or as one large slip pocket. This is kind of another one of those make the bag or order the bag how you would like to have it to suit all of your needs. Let me show you some amazing features of this bag. So my favorite thing about it is this applique. This is a reverse applique application. Just love it. It's got corner appliques. On the back, you have a zipper pocket with overlay. It has a nice double zipper closure, which helps it open wide, a removable crossbody strap, purse feet on the bottom. And then on the inside, we have a nice and tight lining that has a zipper pocket. And this one I've done with two slip pockets. Now, if you're part of the bag makers community, this one here is bound. We have done this in two different finishes. So we have the bound version as well as the birth version. Let me show you the birth version. So this one here, I decided not to do the handles on and just make it a crossbody bag. It still has the double zip closure, the pocket on the back, purse feet, and on the inside, I did this one with the large slip pocket and the zipper pocket. And this one is birth. So this bag can be made in two separate ways. Yeah, I just love her. Anyways, if you're one of my clients and you would like to order one of these bags, you know what to do. All my information is down below. And if you're part of the bag makers community, there's not only one, but two tutorials on this one on how to do the bound version and one on how to do the birth version. So you can decide, watch those videos and decide which pattern you would like to buy, because we have them separated. So we have the bound version as one that you can purchase, and then the birth version as the other you can purchase depending on which is your preference. Anyways, until the next one, I'll catch you guys again. Bye.